So the recipe that I chose is from Half Baked Harvest, and I make her recipes all the time, and they've all been very good. My mom is setting up a food processor for me because she thinks that's how I should cut my cabbage. So maybe I'll.
That's what I didn't get.
Is that cheating? She said.
Are you also cooking, Nicole?
Yeah.
Are you making tacos?
My mom was way too excited when she heard I would cook. She goes, "Oh, you're taking a cooking class? Okay, so you're making dinner." I was like, "I guess so."
Oh, look, I'm cooking too. Look, I'm cooking just like Nicole is over here. To be fully honest, I didn't even know Nicole was in her kitchen. I just thought that was a giant fireplace behind her.
I did
Like
too,
a secret
actually.
door.
So I'm cutting my cabbage. The food processor isn't even turning.
I know, like, sometimes you put red cabbage in salad and stuff, but I've never actually seen, like, red cabbage outside of that before.
Jen, I love how your dog in the background is assisting with the cooking.
He likes to get between you and the counter so that he has maximum.
I think maybe the taste testing for these shrimp tacos should be to see which dog eats one the quickest.
I also did not get chives. I got green onions, so.
Jen
It's
totally looked
acceptable
at the
to me.
ingredients and she was like, "Nah, I'm not doing all those ingredients.
Like, I'm just
doing
gonna
it
get
my way."
50%. Hope for the
Yeah.
best.
Oh, look at that.
Oh wow.
Sophia with the nice sexy shrimp over there.
Of
Let me
course.
see. Let me see, Sophia. Beautiful. Oh, look, I busted a hole in my tortilla.
Uh-oh. I think there's nothing more American than some ranch dressing spilling out of a corn tortilla.
Yeah, you're right.
I see a
blue,
pan.
I see a blue,
Yeah.
I see a pan and a blue light. I still have yet to see food from Nicole.
I want to see Nicole and like how she's cutting and cooking. I only see.
Yeah, we haven't seen any of that.
Okay, I keep getting hate because I am out of the frame. I'm currently working on my shrimp over here, and where's this is my mix for my coleslaw.
I can't add the mango to my salsa because my mom's allergic to mangoes. So
What are you gonna add to the salsa that is equally as tricky?
The substitution queen is angry that somebody else is substituting, and now they're looking for a point deduction. Yeah.
Sophia is pretty.
Wow, that's very nice presentation. Mike, this is just for you. I'm gonna show you my final product.
Oh, look at that there.
Well, that's pretty. That's a good heaping amount.
Sophia, that's awesome.
Beautiful.
Yes.
I like how Sophia's pointing it at it like she's either going to shoot me with it or I'm supposed to eat it. I can't tell what's going to
It
happen
looks.
here.
oh,
Look at that. Oh, she's got. I like the presentation there.
3 tacos.
Oh, I like that.
very good.
We got to see 2 people cooking, and Nicole was also making food. Apparently.
Whatever. I was doing something in the background, but I pulled out a final product. I was the underdog the whole time.
Sophia wins for speed. I think Jen wins for presentation, and I think Nicole wins for volume of food because she had all
And for
that in one taco.
participating.
Exactly. I came and I did it.